Good, everybody. It's H back with another 12 Hub TV episode. This is gonna be a real quick thing that I'm doing. I'm on a journey of trying to get back into shape, and it's not happening. This all kind of happened pre-COVID, but COVID accelerated it. So I've been heavy 2 times in my life, all the way up into 2008, and then from there I lost a whole bunch of weight. And then from 2014 to about 2020, I gained almost all of it back. So I'm like 20 pounds off my heaviest. And that was a long time ago. Never want to look back at that. So I'm trying to trim down. And part of that is getting back into being more athletic. So I used to ball all the time. Can't do that really right now. But since the weather's getting nice, I'm going to start hooping outside. So that's one thing. So prepping for that, and then also getting back into running, going back and doing cardio at the gym, lifting weights and all that stuff. I'm pretty solid as it is, but at the end of the day, got to change up some things, work out, eat better, do all of that. So I'm going to catalog some of that stuff on this channel and my other channel as it goes along, but I also, want to incorporate what I'm doing here into some of that as well. So obviously shoes are a big part of basketball and running. And I know I've done this shoe before, but this time I actually got the fit right. I'm going to look at the Alphafly Next Percent. This colorway, if you looked at my Instagram, I posted already. But I had to go back and get another pair. I love this shoe. I got it in 12.5 instead of a 12 this time. Didn't really have much of a problem with the 12. But again, I ripped the mesh. And I'm never making that mistake again. But I ended up getting this one right here. I think it's like a special colorway that they came out with. It's really dope, actually, to lie. And it's the same accessories. It comes with a little bag to carry them in if you go into the track with them. Box is still this white box, same white box and everything. But the cool thing about these, the atomic knit, all that, has some writing on the back here. It's like, if anybody who's in another country who speaks that, tell me what that is. Looks some kind of Asian country, Chinese, Japanese, something. Got the racing stripes on here, but this is a full vault colorway, which is dope. And I did like running in these. I had insoles in them. I think I said so. There's a link to that video right here. Check that out, where I did a wear test on them. I did enjoy running in these. The cool thing about these, now that I'm feeling these newer ones, the foam here, the Zoom X foam, is a lot stiffer than it was on the pair that I had originally. This is all foam on the back, carbon fiber plate under here as well for that extra bounce and stability. Really stiff right here. Right here is where you get all your play. But these things really, they're super light. They're super light for a average running shoe, but if you look at it from the context of like some of the pro running shoes that Nike makes, this is a little bit heavier because of the Zoom air pockets and the way this whole thing is constructed here. The base is much wider on the midsole on these. Still kind of narrow right up in here, but I do have insoles. Like I said, I took them out the second time with the insoles. So we're gonna wear test these tomorrow and put it on the channel for y'all and talk a little bit more about it. But yeah, this is just a quick one. I wanted to just show off this shoe because it's a banger, man. And these were hot. I had to pick them up because I want to. Like I said, I'm trying to get back into the running. The swoosh here too. Look at that. That swoosh is just ridiculous. Yeah. I want to get back into running. I want to get healthier again. And like I said, I'm just going to catalog some of it on my other channel. And progress, man. And it's just tough. I've been big on my whole life. And it's never been the deterrent for me to like do things. I've always been fairly healthy. But since COVID happened and I'm older now, it's just harder to get along and try to be healthy and live a good lifestyle and try to do so many things at once. Got business, got regular work, I got a YouTube channel now, so much stuff going on, being married, having a dog now, but everything seems to be meshing together this past few weeks where there is some kind of order in my chaos. So I'm happy about that, and I think I'm now going to focus on taking the next step physically to get to a better place as we end this COVID thing. So yeah, get at me, give me some motivation, holla, leave a, what do you think of the Alphafly Next Percent in this all Vault pretty much colorway? And yeah, I'll check you in the next one. All right, peace.